The legend is back. After years of anticipation, the Pontiac GTO makes its roaring return in 2025, and it's here to destroy the competition. But before we dive into what makes this beast truly remarkable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our in-depth car reviews, just like this one. Now, buckle up, and let's hit the gas on the all-new 2025 Pontiac GTO. First introduced in the 1960s, the Pontiac GTO ignited the muscle car revolution. Its powerful V8 engines and aggressive looks made it an instant icon. Nicknamed the Judge for its ability to rule the road, the GTO set the standard for muscle cars that followed. Fast forward to today. The 2025 Pontiac GTO is not just a revival, it's an evolution. Building on its legendary heritage, this new version brings the power and prestige of the past into the future. The first thing you'll notice is the unmistakable design. The 2025 GTO keeps the bold, muscular stance that made the original famous but updates it with modern aerodynamic lines and cutting-edge features. Up front, the wide grille and sharp headlights scream aggression. The body is sculpted to perfection, giving it a low, sleek look that cuts through the air. From every angle, this car looks fast, even when it's standing still. The GTO is back to rule the streets, and its design shows it's not just another muscle car, it's a predator. But what truly sets the 2025 Pontiac GTO apart is what's under the hood. This monster is powered by a supercharged V8 engine that cranks out an insane. Whether you're tearing up the drag strip or cruising the highway, this car has the muscle to back up its looks. The advanced suspension and precision tuning mean it's not just built for straight-line speed, it's also designed to handle curves with ease. The 2025 GTO is a perfect blend of brute force and finesse, making it a real threat on any terrain. Now, let's talk about the competition. The Dodge Challenger Hellcat, Ford Mustang GT500, and Chevy Camaro ZL1 are all beasts in their own right. But the GTO? It's here to dominate. With its superior power-to-weight ratio and enhanced aerodynamics, the 2025 GTO leaves its competitors in the dust. In head-to-head tests, the GTO outperformed these giants, not just in speed, but in handling and precision as well. The legend doesn't just return, it destroys. Inside, the 2025 GTO is a perfect mix of old-school muscle and modern luxury. The retro-inspired dashboard gives you a nostalgic feel, but it's packed with cutting-edge tech like a fully digital driver's display, a high-resolution infotainment system, and premium sound. The materials? Top-notch. Leather, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum all work together to give you a high-performance feel with premium comfort. This car isn't just about brute force, it's about elevating the driving experience. The 2025 Pontiac GTO isn't just a car, it's a statement. A statement that says muscle cars aren't dead. That the GTO is back, and it's here to reclaim its crown as the king of performance. With jaw-dropping design, unbeatable power, and the ability to destroy its rivals, this is not just the return of a legend. It's the dawn of a new era in muscle cars. So, what do you think? Is the GTO the ultimate muscle car of 2025? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more epic car content.